Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting access and linking accounts. Enter your API key and enable 2FA so trades execute securely. This prevents accidental exposure. Once done, connect your brokerage using OAuth or a token and verify read/write scopes. Make sure to set base risk parameters now, maximum trade amount, stop loss percent, and position size percent. This matters because Trade GPT will use those defaults to size each signal automatically, avoiding oversized positions and repeated manual adjustments later. Now you define what Trade GPT should act on. Pick a strategy template or import your rules, momentum for trending markets or mean reversion for pullbacks. Then map indicators clearly, moving averages, RSI thresholds, and volume filters across specific timeframes, because precise signals reduce noise. Next, assign order types and execution logic, market vs limit, take profit percentages, and multi-leg sequencing for spreads. Once configured, run a short backtest so you see behavior before risking capital. Deploy cautiously. Start in paper mode and watch real-time metrics. You should monitor executed signals, PNL, and latency. This lets you confirm the bot follows rules and handles fills. Once stable, flip to live with strict risk caps. If something goes wrong, pause trading immediately and revert to manual control, then check API connectivity, auth, and rate limit errors. Make sure to adjust thresholds or indicator sensitivity rather than rewiring logic. Small parameter tweaks usually fix overtrading or missed signals without introducing new risks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.